Hey guys, it's Dina, and today I have for you lemongrass beef. It's another staple in my household where I can make it really quick on a busy weeknight. If you enjoy my recipes and videos, don't forget to hit that like button below to show your support in my cooking journey. Click that share button and the subscribe button, as well as the bell to get notifications on new videos. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram when you recreate any of my dishes. I love seeing them, you guys. My children devours this dish. They fight over it. The citrus lemony flavor of the lemongrass adds so much flavor to the beef. It is a beautiful complement to beef dishes. To begin, you'll need 2 pounds of sliced ribeye. And of course, you can't have lemongrass beef without the lemongrass, the star of our dish. You'll need a 1/4 cup of lemongrass finely minced, you'll also need 3 garlic cloves finely minced. In regards to the beef, you can either slice your own ribeye or have the butcher do it for you. In a bowl, add the lemongrass, the garlic, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 6 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili or garlic chili, 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce. Add more chili if you like it spicier, or Thai chili to give it a real kick. Let the meat marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. Set the heat to high. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. The pan will heat up really fast. Add the beef to the hot pan. You want to hear that sizzle. Spread the meat out to a thin layer. Allow it to cook a little bit. Then stir it around. It cooks really fast, ready in about 5 minutes. Enjoy it with rice or rice vermicelli. You can even roll it into a spring roll. It is delicious in any way that you eat it. Since I'm serving it with rice today, I'm serving it alongside with or garnishing it with tomatoes, scallions, mint, and cilantro. Thank you for spending your precious time cooking with me today. I hope you continue to practice to become the master chefs in your own home. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to get alerts on new videos. When you recreate my dishes, tag me on Instagram. Written recipes are available on my website. Until next time, goodbye, my friends.